Heute wünsche ich jetzt wieder Satz zu Tales of the Neon Sea. Wir sind noch dabei rauszugehen. Und jetzt geht's raus. Schauen wir, was draußen los ist. Did he just ditch me for a female cat? He was bringing me to play with him just a minute ago, I guess. Girls before parents. That's true. For cats. Ja. Still putting up posters like this. When will humans now be able to decide that? Unverständlich, ja. Yeah, would you like a polyhop? Polyhops are my favorite. Thank you. So. Repair shop. Nobody's here. Oh, it's you. I thought it was a customer. I'm not a customer. Oh man, do you have any cheap decoders or processors? I'm busy in the bag. The second-hand stuff is all over the head. There, go check it out yourself. This thing used to serve an army, and I heard it had quite a reputation back then. Is it a riot trooper? No wonder it looks so familiar. There's so many problems that it will take a long time to fix this thing. Wow, no, these prices are insane. Have you lost your mind? Now they only sell good stuff, and good stuff comes at a price. Even so, everything you see is at least 30% cheaper. Was sitzt du auf einmal wieder da? You're back so soon? What have you got there? Brought over a piece of ripped clothes is blood on. Whose blood is it? Have you heard? I don't see any walls. Good guys. They must have gone. They can't do anything else with me right now. I should probably follow with you. Dass er mit schnell ist, also wie. You go there now. Is your girlfriend judging from here? You a fool? You seem to be a rare breed. Choice, Mew mew. Do you understand what I said? Or is there blood on you? Let me see where you go. Weird, I don't see any wounds. shit, a dead body. Been dead for a while now. Wait, I know this woman. It's Mrs. Penny. Harry, she's the landlord at the Sophora apartment. I need to call the police immediately. Hello, I'm calling from the Sophora apartment. There's a body lying among the trash in the alley. Please send someone quickly. Okay, yes, yes. Thank you. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. You have entered a crime scene. Carefully investigate every detail as it could be a key clue. Solving case. Switch to investigation. I know the places. Oh ja. Das ist gut. Was habe ich denn? Was? Das wird gut aussehen. First stage autopsy analysis. This occurred more than 20 hours ago. The cops to it's always a shame. Some marks extend away. Few traces of bringing on the ground surrounded by footmarks, judging from the footmarks in person on the stage. Where's the end? Shiny, the mark on the ground confirms this direction should be well. The rings not from here with one business maybe, and these ones all seem to belong to the same person. case, it's just like here. Once you have found every clue and work to find them, it gives motivation to tell the truth. There we go. There's a new dentist. Which must be caused by having an object falling onto it. Oh, okay, so this is verloren. Dann oder dumpster mit. Okay, will ich jetzt mal aufnehmen oder? Ey. There we go. Oh, das ist schon cool. Das ist schon cool. About 9 p.m. yesterday, Mr. Perry fell straight from the dumps from above. Not long as he appeared on the sky. Oh, so quite today. Touching from the time of the tango has left this world and thieves behave at the crime scene. The thief is unlikely to be the murder. That person was possibly attracted to her by the sound of the phone. Also er hat rübergeschmissen und dann ist abgehauen. Erstmal ist sie ausgelaufen. Okay. Das ist ein Nightliebling, Kinder. Lloyd, what are you doing here? I thought you were putting your feet up on a new independence desk of yours. I've guessed it. Been a while. Blah 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 blah. Okay, wir klären jetzt den, was wir gefunden haben. Maybe that is. No, she's the prettiest kid of all them all. It just very simply adores her. upstairs. Okay, das ist irgendwie so Aufklärungsgame. Free was, oder? Oder irgendwas ist, was wir auch schon kennen. Safe geht da auftrainieren und das bloß gehen. Paradise on the third floor. Can you hit the button? Nö. Das ist sehr. This is Perry's apartment. How was the rest of this Perry? Did you have any friends or enemies? Alles ist wieder so. Nice. Easy cheesy, lemon squeezy. Stay where you are and put your hands in the air. I've got you covered, right? Just move up and check it out. Just like the old days. Es kann nicht der Roboter gewesen sein, weil der Roboter müsste sie dann wegschleifen. es kann natürlich auch sein, dass das so ist, ne? Das muss man alles machen. Da sucht man wieder was zum Außen einfach. Der doch ein Butler oder so, ne? Yeah, but the computer's threat, so he's highly likely to go. Especially for his close to was an indoor store who paid attention to manners and details. Investigated as well. There's the butler or butler. Is it butler or butler? So you go see what the robot is up to. How are you? Okay. Rexford, he's in hibernation mode. And things get hell out of me. I almost shot it. Wait, what is on the couch? Blood Rex, take a look at it. Yes, the blood is also blood on the hand, but this robot. Robots are unable to harm humans, so what's with all the blood? Let's check out the couch. Yes, I have bright blood stains on the front and back of the couch. These blood stains appear to be this is bad. Looks like also es muss so den Schlüssel finden, dann singen wir aus in dem Ding drin steht. Vielleicht kann man ja. nicht mehr. Ah, there it is. This is Perry gift for Chase birthday. Special Bronski. Was der Schlüssel für das? Oh, this is very discussed. Schauen wir mal in das Tagebuch rein. Vielleicht ein Code drin steht. Ich hasse verlesen, ey. Ich muss viel about there is there's thing in the road. Das sagt aber nichts über den Code. Aber vielleicht ist das 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4. Was kann das nur sein? Oder? Hier und weiter. Oh, ich hätte das gern schon noch aufmachen, bevor ich das Rätsel da gehen. Zwei, vier, eins. That was a fighting word. That was like just. Really? So, was ist das? Start the clock. Start the clock. Okidoki. Yes, the number was 40 and 2 of them is left. I guess why? Striking Grimace's spray. Very weirdly, but rest. Right, comes in and the body. The robot stopped working after that. Later you found the terrorist. The candlestick that was the murder weapon was taken away from the crime scene. It's very likely that the murderer has destroyed it. I have to let the police investigate this further. Is it this Gornikin? Oh, oder? Unglaublich. I didn't kill her. It wasn't me. Just sticking to that story too, we have solid evidence and clear motive. Wir haben klare Motiv. Obwohl, hauptsächlich voll das klare Motiv, inwiefern das hier draußen Obdachlose ist und oder someone or whatever. Wait, pause there. Oh, but I think there was no place. Whatever it was. Ja, bleibt. Und die gewohnt hat, die drunter oder drüber gewohnt. Autoschiff Nummer 10. Beach Stop. I can receive the same. This okay. Easy cheese. Und dass der 100 Nickeln hat. A primitive form of anti-tamper protection. Modern robots don't use this system anymore. Hey. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, dat is hier. Right nickel en oh, wat er is een implanted device. What's going on? Was passiert hier? Das ist der das ist Perry nicht gerettet. Schmerz. Something wrong with this. Kind of Christ brain. Taking over this case, so we need how not to get this Chinese sort of the fuck, man. No sooner had I retrieved. Ja klar, das ist ja wieder klar, dass das für irgendeinen besonderen Typen ist. Und dem meint es wieder so, oh, ich komme einfach, ich immer, was ich mag. Das ist ja so klar. Man in Black. Man in Black. This is simply, well, now that we have all the all we need to match but the fingerprint will ja klar, Alter. You tell you're such a kind and loving girl, the way you were to visit me today is your birthday and you're about to become a young model. I know you like little Isabel very much, so I have decided she's your birthday present. I know you will be good to her because you're such a loving child. I have also made a nameplate for her collar, which has been engraved with your name. Starting today, this bill is yours. I hope that you will grow up happily and always be there. That's unfortunate. I didn't want to harm her. Give up now, we lose particular evidence. Okay. Spezialdienstteile, die ruhig ich kenne mehr. Special Squad. Cool. Also, wenn es euch gefallen hat, lasst ein Abo, lasst ein Like da. Wir sehen uns bei der nächsten Folge. Links oben geht's zum letzten Ablauf vom Kanal. Links oben zur Playlist von Tales of the Neon Sea und rechts direkt zum Kanal. Also bis dahin. Ahoi.